Hello everybody! Today we are going to focus on the MEVACO templates. I would like to show you how user-friendly they are. They will make your work more effective and more efficient. So let's start. The parameters have been already predefined, so I'm gonna click on Add Position, confirm the parameters with the Next button, and we are in the template section. There are MEVACO templates and cassette templates, which I won't be dealing with today. So I'm gonna go for MEVACO templates now. There are many templates, and most of those templates are pretty much self-explanatory, so I won't be dealing with them one by one. I would like to focus on a more complex template, which is multiple perforated zones template. Let's open it to start a drawing. Here we go. You've got here a reference drawing. There are various dimensions that you can adjust: the width, the length, the margin running along the edges. Here on the right side you've got columns and lines. Let's say I would like to increase the number of columns and lines. Now you see that there are internal margins F1 and E1 corresponding to your drawing. This is F1 and this is E1. But actually I would like to increase the number of columns and have 3 columns and 3 lines, so in total 9 perforated zones. So there is no problem with that. Just bear in mind that this is only a reference drawing, so once I have updated the number of columns and line, this drawing will not be updated. Alright? So we are almost ready to go. I'm gonna leave those dimensions as they have been set by default and click on Create. But of course, remember, you can change those dimensions according to your design and preferences. So we click on Create and we go to the Perforated Zone section, turn off a grid. Here we go. We have managed to create this metal sheet with 9 perforated zones very quickly. So you see how easy it is. I go to the preview. And now actually I would like to show you another template which is very useful for balustrades design. I'm gonna click on that position and go to MEVACO templates again. This will be a kind of refresher because we used that template in the past. It's rhomboid. So I click on the rhomboid template. Again, there are dimensions that you can adjust. I would like to enter the angle value. I'd like to have 60 degrees. You don't know the angle. You can also enter this value here. Let's go and click on Create and see what's happening. Go to the perforated zone, turn on the grid. Here we go. It's that simple. Having said that, I would like to change this direction and have here an obtuse angle. There is no problem with that at all. So let's go back to the summary, click on Add Position, choose a layout, the rhomboid, and all I need to do now is to enter a minus value here. As you see, this angle value has been also adjusted. So I'm gonna click on Create to see what I have managed to create. Go to the perforated zone, turn off the grid. Here we go. It's done. So I hope you have really enjoyed this session. I wish you good luck with Designer and have a nice day.